is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I went to National Parts Depot today, and you wouldn't believe what I found today, man. Oh boy, I'm telling you what. Guys, you're going to enjoy this one, especially you Fox Body guys. This thing is like off the hook. All right, man, let's turn this around. (1979) Ford Mustang, 4-cylinder turbo. This is the first one built. VIN number 00001. Sunroof, vinyl top. This is sitting in National Parts Depot. Look at the vinyl top. How often do you see that? All leather interior, manual shift. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. But man, I really figured that car was, I thought it was really cool, man. Number one, still like brand new. I think he said it had 1,400 miles on it, so don't hold me to it. It's either 14 miles or 1,400, I'm not sure, but I'm telling you, man, that car is in perfect condition. I wish I could open the hood on it, but I didn't ask. I wasn't gonna go that far. But I guess the owner of National Parts Depot bought the car off the original owner. So this is just really cool. So I just figured I'd share with you. You guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day. And hey, thanks for watching.